Today, we're diving into 25 free and easy energy-saving hacks. Simple changes you can make around the house that really add up. Are you ready? Let's get started. Alright y'all, let's kick things off with a super simple but oh so effective hack: turning off the lights when you leave a room. I know you've heard it a million times before, but seriously, this one tiny habit can make a world of difference. Every second those lights are on, they're sucking up energy and adding to your electric bill. So make it a rule. When you leave, lights out. Trust me, your wallet will thank you for it. Let's talk about those sneaky energy vampires in your home. Devices that suck up power even when turned off. Phone chargers, coffee makers, that bread maker you rarely use. All those little red lights add up. The fix? Unplug. It's that simple. Invest in power strips. Bye-bye, phantom power drainers. Alright folks, this next tip is my personal favorite because it's all about embracing the power of nature. During the day, fling open those curtains, raise those blinds, and let the sunshine flood your home. Not only will it instantly brighten your space and lift your mood, but it'll also reduce your reliance on artificial lighting. And less reliance on those energy-hogging light bulbs means more money in your pocket. So go ahead, embrace the sunshine. You know that little box on the wall that controls your comfort? Yep, the thermostat. Mastering the manual adjust is key. Find that sweet spot for comfort. When you're out or asleep, tweak it to save energy. Small adjustments, big savings. Alright fashionistas, this one's for you. Did you know that you can actually save energy by simply adjusting your wardrobe? In the cooler months, layer up in cozy sweaters, fuzzy socks, and maybe even a stylish beanie. And when the summer heat hits, opt for lightweight, breathable fabrics that'll keep you cool and comfortable. By dressing for the indoor temperature, you can rely less on your heating and cooling systems, which means less energy used and more money saved. There's nothing quite like the feeling of a fresh breeze flowing through your home. Open your windows strategically to save on energy costs. Skip the AC and let Mother Nature work her magic. Create a cross breeze by opening windows on opposite sides. Cool your home naturally, reduce AC use, and enjoy fresh air. Alright, my savvy savers, let's talk about appliance time travel. Did you know that energy companies often charge different rates for electricity depending on the time of day? It's called peak hours and off-peak hours. To save some serious cash, try to run those power-hungry appliances like your dishwasher, washing machine, and dryer during off-peak hours, which are typically evenings and weekends. Your wallet will thank you for it. I'm not suggesting you give up your beloved hot showers, but let's be real. Long showers can eat into your energy budget. Heating water takes a surprising amount of energy. Shortening your shower time saves hot water and money. Set a timer, crank up your favorite tunes, and make it a game. Alright, my fellow kitchen enthusiasts, this next tip is for you. Let's talk about the power of the lid. Those lids on your pots and pans are secret weapons in your energy-saving arsenal. Put a lid on those pots and pans to trap heat inside. It cooks food faster and more efficiently. And the best part, it saves you money on your gas or electric bill. Let's be honest. Cooking every single day can be a real drag. But what if I told you there's a way to make your life easier and save energy at the same time? Enter the batch cooking bonanza. Not only will this save you time and energy in the long run, but it's also a great way to ensure you always have a delicious home-cooked meal on hand. Let's face it, we live in a digital world. But all that screen time can really take a toll on your energy bill. The good news is there's a simple fix. Adjust your screen brightness. Most electronic devices these days allow you to manually adjust the brightness level of your screen. Reducing the brightness even slightly can significantly reduce the amount of energy your device consumes. Just like we need our beauty sleep, so do our electronic devices. When you're not using your devices, make sure they're not secretly draining energy in the background. Activate the sleep mode or power-saving mode whenever possible. This will put your devices into a low-power state, conserving energy and saving you money. It's like tucking your electronics in for a little nap. Ah, the refrigerator. The heart of the kitchen. But let's be honest, every time we open that door, it's like a blast of cold air escaping into the world. and our energy bills crying a little tear. To keep those energy costs down, make your refrigerator rendezvous short and sweet. Decide what you want before you open the door, and avoid standing there with it wide open while you ponder the mysteries of the universe. Remember, a happy refrigerator is a closed refrigerator. Listen, I get it. Life can feel like one big to-do list. But here's a little secret. Being organized can actually help you save energy. Instead of running errands or completing tasks willy-nilly throughout the week, try grouping them together strategically. Plan your trips to the grocery store, post office, and other destinations so you can knock them all out in one fell swoop. By reducing your overall trips and streamlining your errands, you'll minimize your fuel consumption and reduce your carbon footprint. In a world dominated by technology and gadgets, it's easy to forget the simple power of manual tools. Not only will this save energy, but it's also a great way to get a little arm workout in. So ditch the batteries, embrace the hand crank, and rediscover the joy of manual power. Silence is golden, turning off the noise. I don't know about you, but I love listening to music or catching up on my favorite shows while I'm puttering around the house. But here's the thing. Leaving the TV or music playing when you're not actively engaged is a surefire way to waste energy. So, make it a habit to turn off the entertainment when you leave the room. Appliance juggling act, spacing out the power surge. Let's be honest, sometimes it feels like we need an air traffic controller just to manage all the appliances in our homes. But here's a little tip. Avoid running multiple energy-intensive appliances simultaneously whenever possible. This will prevent unnecessary strain on your electrical system and help you avoid those dreaded power surges. Culinary creativity, energy-efficient cooking. Who says cooking delicious, satisfying meals has to cost a fortune in energy bills? Not this gal. Get creative with your culinary skills and experiment with recipes that require less cooking time or no cooking at all. Embrace the art of salads, no-cook meals, and one-pot wonders. Not only will you be reducing your energy consumption, but you'll also be expanding your culinary horizons. If you're like me and spend a good chunk of your day working from home, then listen up. Optimizing your workspace for energy efficiency is key. Whenever possible, set up your desk or workspace near a window to take advantage of natural light. Before you crank up the AC on a warm day, consider this. Nature has its own built-in air conditioning system, and it's completely free. On cooler days or during the evenings, open your windows wide and let that refreshing breeze circulate through your home. Remember those energy vampires we talked about earlier? Well, our computer monitors are often secret members of that club. To reduce their energy drain, adjust your monitor's power settings to enter sleep mode after a short period of inactivity. We live in a world of gadgets and gizmos, but do we really need all of them plugged in and running 24/7? Take a look around your home and identify any non-essential devices that are constantly drawing power in the background. This could be anything from decorative lights to extra phone chargers. Unplug those energy hogs and embrace a bit of minimalism in your tech life. Remember those old-school kitchen timers our grandmas used to use? Well, they're making a comeback in the world of energy efficiency. Use manual timers to set time limits for devices that tend to get left on, like fans, heaters, or even your curling iron. They say that failing to plan is planning to fail, and when it comes to energy efficiency, a little planning can go a long way. Take some time to create a daily or weekly routine that minimizes energy waste. Last but not least, the most important tip of all. Be mindful of your energy consumption habits. Regularly review your daily routines and look for small changes you can make to reduce your energy footprint. Well, my savvy savers, there you have it. 25 free and easy energy-saving hacks that will help you slash your electric bill and keep more of your hard-earned money where it belongs, in your pocket. I love hearing your ideas. We could all use a little help keeping those energy costs down, especially with summer right around the corner. What are your favorite energy-saving tips and tricks? Share your wisdom in the comments below. Let's create a community of savvy savers. Be safe, my friends, and stack it to the rafters.